Skoda Auto is teasing the 4th generation Superb with a short clip offering a glimpse of both of the exterior and interior highlights. The world premiere is slated for November the 2nd at 7 p.m. Central European Time. The teaser clip reveals dynamic proportions, redesigned LED matrix beam headlights and LED rear lights with crystalline elements, as well as features of Skoda new modern solid design language. The interior showcases the new Skoda smart dials and steering column mounted sector lever. Skoda's ICE flagship will be available in both hatchback and combi estate body versions, offering a choice of 6 powertrains, including plug-in and mild hybrids. Guys, I can't wait to see it, the premiere on November of the 2nd. So let's go.